you struggling to get results from your Facebook ads? Facebook advertising is a powerful tool, but it can be challenging to navigate the complex world of ad optimization and audience targeting. It's not just about creating an ad and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the platform, knowing your audience, and strategically planning your campaigns. This video is your comprehensive guide to Facebook ads. We'll cover everything from defining your campaign objective, setting up your ad account, defining your target audience, choosing ad placements and formats, setting your budget and schedule, creating engaging ad content, monitoring and optimizing performance, conducting A/B testing and experimentation, to analyzing results and refining strategy. We'll break down each step, explaining the process and providing tips along the way. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to run successful Facebook ads. The first step in running Facebook ads is to clearly define your campaign objective. Think of this as your guiding light, your North Star, that will steer all decisions from this point forward. The objective can take many forms, depending on what you want to achieve. Perhaps you want to increase brand awareness, spreading the word about your product or service to as many people as possible. Or maybe your goal is to drive traffic to your website, enticing potential customers to learn more about what you offer. You might also be aiming to generate leads, capturing information from interested parties that you can follow up with later. The campaign objective could be to boost engagement, encouraging likes, shares, and comments on your posts. Or your end game could be conversions, persuading people to make a purchase, sign up for a newsletter, or download an app. Remember, selecting the right objective is crucial for the success of your campaign. Once you've defined your objective, the next step is to set up your ad account in the Facebook Ads Manager. Getting this done is a breeze. Start by clicking on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner of your Facebook homepage. From there, select Create Ads, which will redirect you to the Ads Manager. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to set up an ad account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, filling in the required information such as your country, currency, and time zone. Once done, you'll be asked to input your payment details. This is crucial as it enables Facebook to charge you for your ad spend. You can choose from several payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, or even bank transfers in some countries. Remember, the key to a smooth ad campaign is ensuring that your payment information is accurate and up to date. Targeting the right audience is key to the success of your ad campaign. Think of your ideal customer. What are they like? How old are they? Where do they live? These are all questions you should be asking yourself when defining your target audience. Facebook's advanced targeting options allow you to narrow down your audience based on specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Are you selling trendy clothing for teenagers? Consider targeting users who are between 13 and 19 years old, who show an interest in fashion, and who have engaged with similar content in the past. But it doesn't stop at demographics and interests. With Facebook's behavioral targeting, you can reach people based on their prior purchase behavior, device usage, and other activities. This can be incredibly valuable in reaching customers who are more likely to be interested in your product or service. So remember, to make your ad campaign effective, utilize Facebook's advanced targeting options to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Select the appropriate ad placements and formats that align with your campaign goals. You see, Facebook offers a variety of ad placements across its suite of platforms, including Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram Stories, Messenger, and the Audience Network. Each placement has its unique characteristics and can influence the success of your campaign. For instance, Instagram Stories can be great for brand awareness, while Facebook Newsfeed might be more effective for conversions. Now let's talk about ad formats. Facebook provides several ad formats such as single image, single video, slideshow, carousel, collection, and instant experiences. Each of these formats serves a different purpose and can deliver a unique experience to your audience. Carousel ads, for instance, allow you to showcase multiple products in a single ad, while video ads can tell a more compelling story about your brand. Experiment with different ad formats such as carousel ads, video ads, or collection ads to see what resonates best with your audience. Determine your budget and ad schedule. This step is crucial as it directly impacts your campaign's reach and effectiveness. Let's start with the budget. Facebook allows you to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget for your campaign. A daily budget is the average amount you're willing to spend each day during your ad campaign, while a lifetime budget is the maximum amount you're willing to spend over the duration of your campaign. Now let's move on to scheduling. You can either run your ads continuously until your budget is spent, or you can choose to run your ads on specific days and times. This can be particularly useful if you know your target audience's online habits. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all budget or schedule. It's about finding what works best for your specific campaign and audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust these settings as your campaign progresses. Test different budget allocations to optimize your ad performance. Develop compelling ad content that captures the attention of your target audience. The secret sauce of successful Facebook ads lies in creating content that not only grabs attention, but also resonates with your audience's needs and interests. So, how do we do this? Start by understanding your audience. What are their problems, needs, and desires? Once you have this information, craft your ad copy to address these points. Next, let's talk about visuals. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. And when it comes to digital marketing, this couldn't be more true. Your ad visuals should be high quality, relevant, and engaging. Don't shy away from using videos either. Videos can tell a story in a way that static images can't, and they are proven to increase engagement rates. Lastly, but certainly not least, include a strong call to action. This is what prompts your audience to take the desired action, be it visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Use high-quality images or videos, engaging ad copy, and a strong call to action to encourage user engagement and conversions. Regularly monitor your ad performance and make necessary adjustments to improve your campaign's effectiveness. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it situation. Your Facebook ad campaign requires your attention and active management. Consider it like a garden. The more you nurture it, the more it flourishes. So, how do you nurture your campaign? By keeping a close eye on various performance metrics. This includes tracking how many people your ad is reaching, how many are engaging with it, and most importantly, how many are taking the desired action, be it signing up for a newsletter, purchasing a product, or visiting your website. Remember, the goal isn't just to reach a large number of people, but to reach the right people, those who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Therefore, it's essential to analyze key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement metrics to identify areas for optimization. Conduct A/B testing to understand what elements of your ad campaign are resonating with your audience. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a method of comparing two versions of an ad to see which one performs better. It's like a virtual tug-of-war where your audience is the rope. The version that pulls more engagement, clicks, or conversions is the winner. Imagine you're unsure about your ad's headline. Should it be a question or a statement? A/B testing allows you to run both versions simultaneously to different segments of your target audience. The data collected will provide insights into what your audience prefers, but don't stop at headlines. You can test different visuals, ad copies, call to action buttons, essentially any element of your ad. By continuously experimenting and refining, you'll be able to identify the most effective combinations. Remember, the key to successful A/B testing is to only test one variable at a time for accurate results. Analyze the results of your Facebook ad campaign and use the insights gained to refine your overall marketing strategy. This is where the magic happens. Once your campaign has run its course, it's time to dive into the data. The Facebook Ads Manager provides a wealth of information. Look at key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement metrics to understand what worked and what didn't. Did the carousel ads perform better than the video ads? Did your campaign reach the target audience you had in mind? Did you achieve your campaign objectives? These questions and more can be answered by analyzing the data at hand. Remember, this is a continuous process. No campaign is perfect, and there's always room for refinement. Take the lessons learned from each campaign, apply them to your next one, and watch your results improve over time.